IRCTC has received notices from BSE and NSE imposing a fine of 10,23,060 rupees each, including GST, for non-compliance with board and committee composition norms for the quarter ended June 30, 2026. The company has clarified that the fine has no impact on its financial, operational, or other activities. The Steel Research Technology Mission of India and Sweden's Metals Research Institute, SWERIM, have signed a memorandum of understanding to strengthen cooperation in iron and steel research, technology, and innovation. The MOU was signed in Sweden in the presence of the Secretary, Ministry of Steel, senior officials from the ministry, and the CMDs of SAIL, NMDC, and MOIL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Safran Helicopter Engines have signed a final contract with Safal Helicopter Engines Private Limited for the design, development, manufacture, supply, and life cycle support of a new generation high-power helicopter engine named Aravali. BPCL receives 14.66 lakh rupees fine each from BSE and NSE due to absence of independent directors since March 2026. Company following up with government for appointments and will seek waiver. DRDO and the Indian Army have signed a joint working arrangement to accelerate the development of futuristic military technologies. The arrangement institutionalizes collaboration between the F&T cell of the Indian Army and DRDO's Directorate of Futuristic Technology Management. ONGC Videsh to invest $200 million in San Cristobal field. Current output 4 to 5,000 barrels per day versus peak 45 to 50,000. US license secured. ONGC will fund the full $200 million. This includes PDVSA's share as well. The amount spent on PDVSA's behalf will later be recovered from future production. Bharat Electronics Limited receives additional orders worth 730 crore rupees across radar, communication, avionics, cybersecurity, and defense electronics. The fresh order inflow adds 730 crore rupees to BEL's business pipeline and highlights continued demand for the company's indigenous defense electronics and technology solutions. REC Limited has announced a total dividend of 18 rupees and 55 paise per equity share of face value 10 rupees for the financial year 2025-26, including a final dividend of 1 rupee and 55 paise per share. The 18 rupees and 55 paise total dividend includes the final dividend proposed for FY 2025-26, along with dividends already accounted for during the financial year. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited has been awarded the prestigious Rajbhasha Shield First Prize for outstanding implementation of the official language Rajbhasha for the year 2025-26. This marks the second consecutive year that GRSE has secured the first position. Power Grid Corporation of India Limited has been fined 11.36 lakh rupees each by BSE and NSE for non-compliance with certain SEBI LODR requirements during the quarter ended June 30, 2026.